So there's a little bit of a trick in getting your data from this website to a usable form in Excel. So go ahead and click on whichever unknown corresponds to what the first letter of your last name. Select all the data, that's Control A if you don't know, and then copy all the data, and then paste it. All right. So it's going to paste everything into one column, which is not usable for you. Excel is reading this all as text instead of data, and Excel can't do anything with text, so we need to switch it over for it. It's not that hard to do. You just need to know how to do it. So scroll up to data, scroll over to text to columns. Okay, we're going to make sure that our data is delimited, and it is. There's something in between the values that we're going for. We're going to click on space because there's a big space between the time number and the concentration of X number. And we're going to click next and finish. And if you'll notice, now you have two columns. This one happens to be labeled incorrectly, which is easy to fix. So we'll just fix our label there. If you know how to make graphs in Excel and you know how to do math in Excel, you can go ahead and quit watching now. Go ahead and delete this column just to make your life a little bit easier when we go to graph. Okay. So a plot of time versus X, if it gave a straight line, would be a zero order reaction. We also have a first order reaction, which is a plot of time versus the natural log of the concentration of X. There's also a second order reaction, which is going to be time versus 1 over the concentration of X. Okay. Time's easy enough to do. Copy your data, paste it, time's all taken care of. I have it 3 different ways just to make my graphing easier. You don't have to do that, but it does make your graphing easier. Okay. So a first order reaction is the natural log of X. Use Excel to do your math for you. Okay. Equal sign, natural log, open a parentheses, and since we know that this column is the concentration of X, that's what we need to take the natural log of. Select that, just click on it, and press enter. You've now populated this box, and if you highlight that box and get your little black cross, double click on that, it'll auto-populate your whole column and you're all done. Okay, go over to the 1 over X. Similarly, you can use your equal sign, and you can put 1 divided by the concentration of X, which is over here. Okay, same column. And click enter. Sometimes students like to use this column for this. Don't do that. You're worried about the concentration of X. Okay, so use the same column for both calculations. Auto-populate, then you're all done. Just in case you've forgotten how to do a graph, here's a quick one. Highlight both columns, go up into insert, scatter plot. There you go. This is a curved line, so we know that this particular data set is not zero order. All right, good luck, have fun.